Hi dreamers, welcome back.
As you can see, I'm gonna recreate the scene of birth of Messiah in my own way. I'm gonna use this old plastic box as a mold to create the base of my project.
Firstly, I'm making a layer of grey cement. Tap it gently to take out the bubbles. Now I'm adding a layer of white cement. Slowly, the legs were placed in its position.
After letting it to set for 2 days, I removed it from the mold.
After making the body, I'm fixing the hands in its position. I have added a bend in Mary's hand to hold the baby.
I'm making Joseph's body a bit longer than Mary's. To reduce the weight, I'm using a ping pong ball to make the head.
Using the Fevikwik cap, I'm marking the eye spot. I chose a camel color that looks closer to the skin tone that I want to paint. The skin shade is much lighter than I had expected, but still it looks good, so I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna use Epson to make hair and eyes because I guess it looks much better than painting a white clay black. I'm using this handkerchief to stitch the cloths. I'm not a good stitcher. Oops, I'm bad at stitching. But still, I want to give it a try. After marking the arm portion, I'm making a slit for arm. baby Jesus. From other YouTubers that adding a mask would add additional beauty to their project. But I cannot buy it anywhere nearby. So I decided to make my own mask formula. Mask DIY time! You'll be needing a pinch of sand plus green color and some glue. I'm using Fevicol. You have to mix it until you get this texture. At the beginning it might look a bit gooey, but once it dries, it will look so beautiful with beautiful texture. I have made the light setup and fixed it to the lamp post. I'm wrapping the lamp post using a green thread to hide the wires behind it. By giving the baby to the mom, the family is finally complete. That's it. Our nativity scene is ready. I know the video is pretty long, but you still managed to watch it completely. Now you're ready to click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't hesitate to join the Dreamers family. For joining the family, you just have to click that subscribe button. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.